When it comes to leveling surveyors in Noida, there is no shortage of professionals who specialize in this field. Noida, being a rapidly developing city, requires accurate and precise leveling surveys to ensure that construction projects are carried out smoothly and efficiently. Leveling surveyors in Noida play a crucial role in determining the elevation and contour of the land, which helps architects and engineers in designing structures that are structurally sound and safe. The expertise of leveling surveyors in Noida is not limited to just measuring the elevation of the land. They also use advanced equipment and techniques to identify any irregularities in the terrain, such as slopes or depressions, that may affect the construction process. By conducting detailed surveys, these professionals provide valuable information to developers and builders, enabling them to make informed decisions about the design and layout of their projects. In addition to providing accurate measurements, leveling surveyors in Noida also assist in the creation of topographic maps. These maps are essential for urban planning and development, as they provide a visual representation of the land's features and help in identifying suitable locations for various infrastructure projects. By utilizing sophisticated software and tools, surveyors are able to generate highly detailed topographic maps that are essential for the successful implementation of construction projects in Noida. SCON design is an important aspect of leveling surveys in Noida. SCONs are small markers that are used to establish benchmarks and reference points during the surveying process. These markers help surveyors accurately measure elevations and distances, ensuring that their measurements are consistent and reliable. There are many experts in this sector available in Noida when it comes to leveling surveyors. As a city that is continually developing, Noida needs accurate leveling surveys to make sure that development projects are completed quickly and effectively. In order to help architects and engineers create safe and sturdy structures, leveling surveyors in Noida are essential in measuring the elevation and contour of the terrain. The knowledge of leveling surveyors in Noida extends beyond simply determining the land's elevation. They also employ cutting-edge tools and methods to find any topographical anomalies, like slopes or depressions, that can influence the building process. These experts carry out thorough surveys to give developers and builders crucial information that helps them decide on the layout and style of their projects. Leveling surveyors in Noida not only offer precise measurements, but also aid in the construction of topographic maps. These maps are crucial for urban planning and development since they give a visual depiction of the land's features and aid in determining the best places for different infrastructure projects. Surveyors are able to produce incredibly detailed topographic maps with the aid of cutting-edge software and technologies, which are necessary for the efficient execution of construction projects in Noida. A crucial component of leveling surveys in Noida is SCON design. SCONs are tiny markings that are placed throughout the survey